everyone. Thank you so much for clicking in. Today, I wanted to show you an unboxing. I have gotten a lot of things from consigners. I've gotten 3 more boxes from 3 different consigners. This first one is from the family of the Haskell collector, the high-end designer collector, and I'm still in the process of that last auction. I had to postpone last Friday's auction or reschedule last Friday's auction, as you know. So that'll be this Friday, which is 2 days from the time I am recording this. And I will probably put out a preview of what's left in that auction. There was a part 2. So I'm just going to do like a recap preview of everything that's coming up in that auction as kind of a reminder, because it did get delayed. So that'll be fun. I'll publish that tomorrow. So you can see that if you've been waiting for anything in that auction and you want a reminder or a review of what it was, that'll be coming up tomorrow. But this is all new. This is fresh out of the box from that family. And I swear to you, it just keeps getting better. Like, it's just the most amazing collection. There is an important Haskell I'm just going to start right out of the box with. That is this pin here. Look at that. Look at the size of this thing. Look at the condition of it. And I actually wore my belt on purpose so you could see it is like the size of the belt embellishment. It's really spectacular. None of these pieces have been processed yet, so I don't know what the starting bids are going to be. As usual, pre-bids will be available. But right now, this is just a real vintage jewelry haul or vintage jewelry unboxing from the consigner. So it's going to be exciting. Next up, the most beautiful brooches in this group. Look at this one. This is not signed. This is incredible. That's what the back looks like. Love the size of this one. This is layered. You see that? There's almost like a snowflake on top. So that'll be coming up. And then this one came out of the box right next to it. I love, it's actually a diamond. Look at that, all the baguettes. This looks very familiar to me. I feel like I've seen this before as possibly old Dior. Look at it. It's magnificent, really magnificent. And this is the way the pin goes. And I might be bidding on this one. I like this even on like a necklace chain. I think that's pretty fab. Okay, so then we have a Panetta. This is incredible. This looks real. And this is not the match to the bracelet, the Panetta bracelet in the other one. The person who won that has dibs on that. That is, it's just plain pearls. I'm not going to show you, but this is a different motif altogether. It does have that same Panetta clasp. So that is spectacular. You will be hard pressed to see such a large amount of high-end vintage jewelry coming from one YouTube channel. I mean, these consigners, what they've sent in is really spectacular. I'm calling one the Bishop, and the name of that group is the Bishop's Gold. There is some important gold in there, some gemstones, some diamonds. That'll be coming up. So make sure you hit that bell notification if you have not done that yet. Just find it if you're on your phone. I don't know where to look. If you're on your computer, it's underneath. It looks like a bell sign. If you click that once, you will get some notifications. If you click it twice and it turns dark gray, you will get all notifications, so that when you are signed into YouTube or on YouTube, the notification will come up that I've done a new preview or unboxing. I am catching up from the week that I missed. So I am going to be doing pretty much an unboxing every day. This is the preview from the Haskell collector family. And then I'm going to be doing the Bishop's Gold. And then the other one is going to be the dealer's daughter. I'm calling it the dealer's daughter. And that's exciting. I haven't opened that box at all. I'm just looking at the sealed box. And then finally, tomorrow, the very next thing that you see published will be the preview review or recap of the auction coming up this Friday. So let's have some fun. If you love a good haul, you are going to be hard pressed to see any kind of haul at the level of what I have coming up over the next few days. So this is the Panetta, and this is spectacular. And then I'm just going to keep going fast. We have this. This is some kind of agate or quartz. It's graduated. It's long. It's rather large. That's coming up. We have a set of rhinestone old vintage in wonderful condition. This is like an amber glass, and here it is on the neck. Look at how beautiful. And it has its matching bracelet still with it. So this will be coming up in a Haskell family auction coming up soon. We have this. I don't even know what this is. This is amazing. Look at that. Beautifully made. Then we have some of the best Haskell earrings I've ever seen. Look at these. These are so special. These are first dibs quality. These tassels with the blue crystals, bezel set and bead. Really lovely, amazing condition. Those are coming up. I also have another pair of the long Haskell earrings. These are, you know, top end. These are so special. Look at the red. The layers. Here, I'll show you both together. Aren't they wonderful? So those are coming up. We have a bracelet like I've never seen before. Look at the dimension on that. Okay, that's coming up. We have this. This is such high end. This looks to me like Panetta. These are all prong set like diamonds, and the hinge is offset so that it stays exactly in the right place on your wrist. This always stays on top. It's an ingenious design. Not seen that before. We have this little fun one. Look at this. Little gold curb link and kind of CZ or crystal there. And I haven't checked anything for signatures yet. Some of it, of course, I recognize, and I'm just able to say, I think this is Kristen Dior. This does have something on it right there. Wonderful. Okay. While I'm doing this, I'll take the time to say, if you want to pre-bid on anything on Friday, you can do that. I'm still accepting pre-bids. There is a preview out already and a list of the catalog of things. When I do the recap of the preview, I will put the list of everything that's still coming up. So you can pre-bid if you want to. Okay, so next up, this is a favorite. This is a wonderful thing. I've never seen a pin like this before. It's heraldic with what looks like a monogram, you know, in the style of a crest, but that is set in there and it doesn't open. It looks like it could be a locket or something. It is not. Isn't it great though? I love the motif of this one. This is, this I believe is a Cuneo Simoto. It's a spectacular one. Let me double check on that. Oh, yes. Okay, so that's what that signature looks like. And look at it on special. Really, really special. That's coming up. We have some more Haskell multicolors. Look how beautiful. We have these. These look like Dior or Trifari. Wonderful. This, I don't even know how to begin to describe. This is like a lava rock. This looks like old Schiaparelli or something. Oh, it's signed. It says Trifari. So this with the crown. This is an old Trifari with almost like a sapphirite kind of sapphirine lava. That's amazing. We have a beautiful large brooch. We have what looks like silver. We have this dangle, Juliana. We have some Panetta earrings. I love these. I might be bidding on these right along with you. I adore. Look at like baguettes, the sapphire, the simulated sapphire baguette. Oh, Les Bernard. Oh, I love this one. Look at that. Then we have this incredible thing. Oops. Another Trifari. This is in the style of a stomacher, but smaller. And I still have the matching earrings. Incredible. An amazing Kirk's Folly. To delight. A festoon. I think it's got to be a Kirk's Folly, right? What is it if it's not a Kirk's Folly? There we are. All right, look at how that hangs. This is wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. Then we have some deco style. Looks like Catherine Popesco. No, it's Les Bernard. Beautiful. Some more rhinestone and crystal. I'm not showing you everything now. I'm just showing you some of what's coming up. These are pieces that I am in the process of these are the pieces that I am processing, in the process of processing. There you go. These are kind of amazing, large, really big, really, really large. Oh, I think this is a match to the pin. To that pin. Look, you see that design? This is it signed? Is the hook signed? I don't see it, but what do you think? I think yes. I think this is meant to be an additional embellishment to this choker. Awesome. Fantastic. I will put those together. This one is to die for. Look at this. Look at the construction of it. It's incredible. All like book quality, high end. This is an amazing, this is like the collector's collector of rhinestone bracelets. I might be bidding on this along with you. This is like the one to have if you want one. There's also this, the necklace, and the bracelet that goes, it's all just so good. The bracelet that goes with it is actually this. And then once again, I haven't checked for signatures or anything yet. That is the fun part. This is special. This has a gold chain wrapped around it right now, but I will take that off. But look at the construction of this. This is an older pin, looks like Austria. Also a matching barrette. What is this? This looks like Haskell. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, look. A 4-strander. This is definitely a Haskell. I like this a lot, and I missed the chokers, the last group from Haskell for the holidays, so this is special. And then, oh, here, yeah, see, it's a little twisted on this side, so I will, there we are. There is the Haskell hang tag. I knew it. And this is so much fun. Look at it. Okay, that might be the one that I bid on. Then we have some amazing, like various things that I know she wore together. Oh, this is interesting. A collar. Haven't checked it for a signature yet, but it's really well made. That's really nice. I love this. These are spectacular. I saw these earrings and I was like, I love these earrings. Oh my goodness, somebody stopped me. I love them so much. And then I saw that it has the matching. So this is Trifari, right? But there's also, look, I've never seen one like it. This is so great. This was like the height of, you know, competing with Chanel in that style. Look at that. And then it's a box clasp that goes in that way. So just divine. There is some Art Deco fur clips that are extremely old and have a lot of patina on them, but interesting for the collection side. And then we have these. I love these. I believe these are Swarovski. Oh, they're signed Trifari. Look how beautiful. I love these a lot. So that's the sneak peek jewelry haul unboxing for today. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification because there's more coming up. I'm going to be doing an unboxing or a haul probably every day over the next few days. And then Friday at 7 Eastern is the auction. So, and it's the rest of the auction that was delayed. So, oh, and I want to say, anybody who got anything in the last auction, everyone has paid. Thank you so much for paying. And I actually prefer that. It's easier to keep track for the bookkeeping if everyone sort of pays on time, but then I just combine shipping. So if any of you that already have something win anything, in the next one, I will combine the shipping, send it out all at once. It makes my job easier. And feel free to check that out. I will link it. I'll link that right here. I'll link it right here. That'll preview if you want to. Well, there are things there that have already sold. But if you want to watch that and check the list and pre-bid on anything that's left, feel free to do that. All right. Thank you again so much for watching, for clicking in. It's so nice to be back. Thank you, everyone. And I will see you all tomorrow.